Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic, how to multiply decimal numbers. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, so how to multiply decimal numbers. Okay, so let us start with this whole number multiplied by the decimal numbers. Okay. So when you are multiplying the whole number by decimal number, just ignore the decimal and proceed to the multiplication. Okay. So let us write 19 multiplied by 9.5. Okay. So 9 times 5, that is 45. Okay, sulat ang 5, then carry 4. Then 1 times 5, that is 5, plus 4, that is 9. Then 9 times 9, that is 81, carry 8. Lang 8 natin. Then 1 times 9, that is 9, plus 8, that is 17. Then add natin, bring down itong 5, 9 plus 1, that is 10, carry 1, so yung 7 magiging 8 na siya, bring down 1. Then i-count natin, isa lang yung decimal number natin, so isa lang decimal point natin dito. So ang sagot natin ay 180.5. Okay? Okay, so this problem, that is decimal numbers multiplied by decimal number. Okay, so again, let us just ignore the decimal point and proceed to the multiplication. So, sulat natin 0.03 multiplied sa 1.1. Okay. Then 3 times 1, that is 3. Then 0 times 1, that is 0. Another 0 times 1 is 0. Then 1 times 3, that is 3. 1 times 0 is 0. Then another 0 times 1 is 0. Okay, so let us add. So bring down this 3. Then 0 plus 3, that is 3. Then 0, 0 dito. Then count natin ilang bang decimal number natin ito. 1, 2, 3. So move tayo ng decimal point to the left tatlong beses. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ang sagot natin dito yung point natin. Okay, so 0.033 ang sagot natin. Sulat ko lang dito para klaro. 0.033 ang sagot natin. Okay, so ito din ay multiplication ng decimal numbers by decimal numbers. So again, we'll just ignore the decimal point and proceed to the multiplication. Okay, sulat muna natin yung 0.25, then multiply dito sa 0.2. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1. Then 2 times 4, 2 times 2 rather. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 2 times 0 is 0. Then 0 din ito. Multiply natin 0 dito sa 5. Then 0 din dito sa 2. 0. Ang 0 times 0 is 0. Okay, so bring down 0. Add natin yung 5 plus 0. That is 5. Then 0. 0 din ito. Then count natin kung ilan ang decimal number. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 din. So dito yung decimal point natin. So, ang sagot natin 0.050. Okay? Okay, so what about multiplying decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000? Okay, kapag tayo nagmumultiply ng yung decimal numbers dito sa 10, imumove lang natin yung decimal point to the right once. Okay? So, ang sagot niya dito equal sa 13.832. Okay, bakit? Move lang natin itong point nating decimal point natin to the right one. So, dito na siya. Kaya 13.832 ang sagot niya. Kapag 100 naman, 1.3832 multiply by 100, we will move the decimal point to the right twice. Kaya ang sagot niya ay 138.32. Kasi dito yan eh. Ang point niya 1, 2. Okay. Kaya 138 ang sagot niya. Pag 1,000 naman, 1.3832 multiply natin by 1,000. Okay, so we will move the decimal point to the right thrice. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ang sagot niya ay 1,383.2. Kasi nag-move tayo ng 3 beses ng decimal point natin to the right. Okay. So, another example, kung tayo nagmumultiply naman ng whole number, halimbawa 38, multiply natin by 10, para mabilis, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 0 dito sa 38, kaya magiging 380 na siya. Okay, kung multiply din natin siya sa 100, is 38. Multiply by 100. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng 2 0. So, magiging 3,800 na yung sagot natin. Okay, kung 1,000 naman, 38 multiply by 1,000. Magdadagdag lang tayo ng 3 0 dito sa 38. So, magiging 38,000 na ang sagot. Okay? So, para madali tayong magmumultiply sa mga decimal numbers at whole numbers by 10, 100, 1,000, madali lang kasi nanood kayo dito sa video ito. Ito yung mga shortcut. Okay? So, I hope meron kayong natutunan dito sa video na ito. Salamat sa panonood.